In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Shopify to Squarespace, ensuring a seamless transition for your website. If you're ready, let's dive in. First, before we begin the transfer process, it's crucial to prepare your domain. Start by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the Domains section, which you'll find under Online Store. Here, you'll want to ensure your domain is unlocked. An unlocked domain is essential for a successful transfer. If you see that your domain is locked, simply unlock it following the prompts on the screen. This step ensures your domain is ready to move. Next, you'll need to obtain your domain's transfer authorization code. This code is like a permission slip, allowing you to transfer your domain from Shopify. In the Domains section, locate your domain and look for the transfer option to receive this code through your registered email. Make sure to keep this code handy because you'll need it for Squarespace. Now it's time to switch gears and head over to Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the Domains area. It's here that you begin the process of connecting your domain to your new Squarespace site. You want to select the Use a Domain I Own option. This lets Squarespace know that you're bringing over an existing domain. With Squarespace ready, enter your domain name, and select the option to transfer to Squarespace. It'll prompt you to enter the authorization code we retrieved earlier. Carefully input the code, and proceed to start the domain transfer. During this step, you'll be guided through confirming your registrar details and approving the transfer request. There might be a small transfer fee here, so be prepared for that. Once confirmed, the transfer process will begin. Now, it's important to note that domain transfers aren't instantaneous. It may take anywhere from a few hours to 5 days for the transfer to complete. During this period, your website and email might experience temporary downtime. But don't worry, this is normal. As your domain transfer progresses, keep checking your email for updates, since you'll need to verify and confirm certain notifications during this process. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email from Squarespace. Finally, it's important to ensure your domain is properly connected to your Squarespace site. Double-check your DNS settings in Squarespace and verify everything is configured correctly. This step ensures that visitors can find your website at its new home without any issues. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully transferred your domain from Shopify to Squarespace. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.